The process of transcription occurs in nucleus. DNA sequence is transcribed into RNA sequence initiated when RNA polymerase binds to promoter binding site. RNA polymerase binds to promoter binding site, moves along DNA strand and adds corresponding complementary RNA nucleotide.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम मैम नेटवर्क जो ॾाढो प्रॉब्लम आहे प्लीज क्लास अॼु कंडक्ट न कयो छाले जो जाम सारा ॿार त जॉइन ई नथा करे सघनि ओनली 28 पार्टिसिपेंट्स आहिनि त इहो लॉस थी वेंदो ॿियनि जो प्लीज तव्हां महिरबानी करे क्लास कंडक्ट न कयो ई
Steps of transcription. DNA unwinds. One side of DNA codes for a protein. Genetic code of a DNA is a triplet code of 3 nucleotides or bases. Each triplet is specific for the coding of a single amino acid. Sequence of triplet codes on DNA will specify the amino acid sequence on the protein. Major step is the synthesis of the coded messenger molecule. Messenger RNA is transcribed from DNA by complementary base pairing. Messenger RNA has no thymine, which is replaced by uracil. Messenger RNA passes out to cytoplasm to ribosomes. RNA polymerase. Only one of the two DNA strands template is transcribed. Non-transcribed strand is termed coding strand. Same as RNA. In both bacteria and eukaryotes, the polymerase adds ribonucleotides to the growing 3 end of an RNA chain. Now this is double strand of DNA. This is a DNA. It is unwinded over here. Now this is a messenger RNA which has a code for proteins. It's a template strand. RNA polymerase. It's a coding strand. Transcription contains a promoter and initiation. Promoter mean transcription starts at RNA polymerase binding sites called promoters on DNA template strand. This is a DNA template strand. Here RNA polymerase binds. Initiation. Other eukaryotic factors bind, assembling a transcription complex. RNA polymerase begins to unwind DNA helix. Then elongation and termination. Transcription bubble moves down DNA at constant rate leaving growing RNA strands protruding from the bubble. Termination stop sequence at the end of the gene causes phosphodiester bond formation to cease, transcription bubble to dissociate, and RNA polymerase to release DNA. Eukaryotic transcription differs from prokaryotic transcription. 3 RNA polymerase enzymes. Initiation complex forms at promoter. RNAs are modified after transcription. Now, spliced gene transcripts. DNA sequence specifying a protein is broken into segments. DNA sequence specifying a protein is broken into segments, those segments termed as exons, scattered among longer non-coding segments, introns. Introns are non-coding segments, exons are coded segments. Initially, primary RNA transcript is produced for the entire gene. Small nuclear ribonucleoproteins associated with proteins to form spliceosomes, excise introns and splice exons to form mature messenger RNA. RNA splicing. During RNA processing, intron sequences are cut out of primary transcript before it is used in polypeptide synthesis. Remaining exon sequences are spliced together to form final processed messenger RNA. Now, eukaryotic genes are fragmented. Exons, these are exons. These are exons, these are coding regions, these blue colors. Introns, these are non-coding regions. So primary RNA transcript introns are cut out and coding regions are spliced together. This is a mature RNA, messenger RNA transcript. Mature messenger RNA transcript contains only introns. Exons, it only contains mature messenger RNA transcript contains only exons, which are coding regions. All introns are cut down. Now look at the picture. RNA transcribed RNA is transferred to messenger RNA from DNA. Means DNA contains information that is carried by messenger RNA to RNA. It is step number 1. This is a DNA, double helix DNA. Here RNA polymerase functions, enzyme RNA transcribed by way of messenger RNA from DNA. It's step number 1. Here it has introns, exons, coding, non-coding regions. Now RNA transcript spliced to produce messenger RNA. Mature messenger RNA transcript contains only exons or coding regions. All it occurs inside the nucleus. Now we are out of nucleus. This messenger RNA, which is mature transcript carrying, having only exons, moves from ribosomal subunits. Here, transfer RNA binds amino acids. Loaded transfer RNA binds to ribosome. Amino acids are assembled in the order directed by messenger RNA. Growing polypeptide chain, completed protein. Here, we have final proteins. Information for specific proteins comes from DNA, that sequence, that information, that finally in cytoplasm, complete proteins are formed. Now the process of translation. Translation overview. Messenger RNA attaches to the ribosome, as I have shown you here. Messenger RNA attaches to the ribosomal subunits. Transfer RNA is attached to the free amino acids in the cytoplasmic pool of amino acids, as shown over here. Transfer RNA binds to amino acids. Transfer RNA bind to ribosomes, carries its specific amino acid to the ribosome. Transfer RNA delivers its amino acid based on complementary pairing of triplet code anticodon with the triplet code codon of the messenger RNA. Enzyme hooks the amino acid to the last one in the chain, forming a peptide bond. Protein chain continues to grow as each transfer RNA brings in its amino acids and adds to the chain. This is translation. Transfer RNA delivers its amino acid based on complementary pairing of a triplet code anticodon. Means transfer RNA contains anticodon, whereas with a triplet codon or triplet code codon of the messenger RNA. Enzyme hooks the amino acid to the last one in the chain, forming a peptide bond. Protein chain continues to grow as each transfer RNA brings in its amino acids and adds to the chain. This is translation. Translation in the cytoplasm at ribosomes. Nucleotide sequence of messenger RNA transcript is translated into amino acid sequence in the polypeptide. Ribosomal RNA recognizes and binds to start sequence. Moves 3 nucleotides at a time. Gene expression, collective of transcription and translation is gene expression. Finally, what is encoded in DNA, genetic information that is encoded, so open up in the process of translation. So gene has been expressed by means of transcription and translation. Translation begins when initial portion of messenger RNA molecules binds to ribosomal RNA in a ribosome. Transfer RNA molecule with complementary anticodon binds to Transfer RNA molecules with complementary anticodon binds to exposed codons on messenger RNA. Now start and stop signals. Start signals coded by AUG codon. Stop signal coded by one of three nonsense codons UAA, UAG, or UGA. Initiation. Polypeptide synthesis begins with the formation of an initiation complex. Initiation factors. Then translocation. Ribosome moves nucleotides along messenger RNA molecule. This is elongation factor. Messenger RNA contains a sequence. Ribosome moves nucleotides along messenger RNA molecule. Termination. Nonsense codons are recognized by release factors that release the newly made polypeptide from the ribosome. Here, messenger RNA contains amino acid sequence for a specific amino acid. It's a site, and release factor will cause termination of that information. Genetic code consists of a series of information blocks called codons. Reading frame triplet, each codes for one amino acid. Genetic code is nearly universal, present in mitochondria and chloroplast. It's a triplet. A triplet code comprised of 3 nucleotide bases in a sequence. How many triplet codes? 20 common amino acids in a protein. 4 different bases on DNA. 4 different bases on RNA. Things put together in combination of 3 into 4 by 364. Therefore, 64 different DNA triplet codes are RNA codons. A triplet code comprised of 3 nucleotide bases. These are 3 nucleotide bases in a sequence. So how many triplet codes? 20 common amino acids in a protein contain 4 different bases. So 4 things put together in a combination of 3. Therefore, 64 different DNA triplet codes are RNA codons. The 64 triplet codes, 60 codes for amino acids, 4 as a stop and start codes. Degenerate code, more than one triplet code for some amino acids. All code for amino acid glycine. Now overview of the lecture. First off, transcription, then translation. Transcription, genetic template. Transcription genetic template for a protein is copied and carried out to the cytoplasm. Translation template serves as a series of codes for the amino acid sequence of the protein. RNA pillars: messenger RNA, ribosomal RNA, transfer RNA. Transcription in the nucleus: if you have one DNA sequence is transcribed into RNA sequence initiated when RNA polymerase binds to promoter binding site. First of all, DNA unwinds. One side of DNA codes for a protein. Genetic code of a DNA is a triplet code of 3 nucleotides or bases. Each triplet is specific for the coding of a single amino acid. Sequence of triplet codes on DNA will specify the amino acid sequence on the protein. Major step is the synthesis of the coded messenger molecule. Messenger RNA. Messenger RNA is transcribed from DNA by complementary base pairing. Messenger RNA passes out to the cytoplasm to the ribosomes. RNA polymerase. Here, this is a double DNA strand. It is unwinded over here. Here, it's one DNA strand is used as a template. Here, RNA polymerase act. It's a promoter site. Promoter initiation. Promoter where RNA polymerase binding sites called promoters and DNA template strand. Initiation. Other eukaryotic factors bind assembling a transcription complex. Elongation termination. Elongation transcription bubble moves down DNA at constant rate leaving growing RNA strand. Termination stop code sequence at the end of the gene causing phosphodiester bond formation to cease. Transcription bubble to dissociate an RNA polymerase to release DNA. DNA sequence specifying proteins. Specifying a protein is broken into segments, exons, and introns. Here, mature messenger RNA transcript is formed when exons, which are coding regions, introns, which are non-coding regions, are present. Primary RNA transcript contains introns are cut out and coding regions are spliced together. Here information is in DNA for a specific protein. Okay, how this process of transcription and translation for protein synthesis occurs. DNA contains the information. RNA polymerase binds over here where DNA unwinds. It's a promoter site. Here RNA is transcribed from DNA. Messenger RNA is formed. Here introns, exons are present. Then RNA transcript spliced to produce messenger RNA which contains exons. Messenger RNA, ribosomal units. Messenger RNA binds amino acids. Growing polypeptide chain, finally completed protein. Then translation. Messenger RNA attaches to the ribosome. Transfer RNA attaches to free amino acids in cytoplasmic pool of amino acids. Transfer RNA carries its specific amino acid to the ribosome. Genetic code consists of series of information blocks called codons reading from triplet. The lecture is over here. Yes.